Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, and you're watching Hot Ones. It's the show with hot questions and even hotter ways.
I've been watching a lot of Hot Ones lately, and I'm getting more and more into hot stuff anyway, so let's make a hot sauce today. Let's get into it. So I tried to already make a couple of hot sauces, but I don't want to make them overly spicy so I'm gonna die, like in that show. So I'll make a pretty easy one on your palate. It still has a kick to it, but the good thing about it is also quite fresh. So when you put with something heavy, like some heavy meats, or like example in your sandwiches or your, like wraps, that's gonna bring you like another like heap of flavor, heap of like wow moment there. So how can you make it? So the only thing you have to do is just to chop all the ingredients you have, which are gonna be jalapenos, granny smiths, onions, garlic. That's the only thing you need to chop, by the way. And a bit of lime to squeeze. While you need to chop that, you need to slice that in half, but before you have to roll it, so more juice comes out. So when that's done, you chuck everything in a blender. As usual, you have to put there some white wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and Bob's your uncle. So you start blitzing it till the consistency you want. I going till everything is sort of like got and smushed there. And then you just put it in your jars you want to store it in your fridge, and you're good to go. So that's the recipe. And the good thing about it is it can last a pretty long while in the fridge. How do I know that? Well, the recipe itself I filmed around end of January. Now it's end of well, now I'm filming this by the end of February. This is gonna come out also somewhere around end of February. But guess what? I still have the sauce. Here it is. We're slowly getting down to finishing this little guy, and it's still good. Still fresh, still spicy. Ah, smells amazing. I mean, I have to run to work soon, so I think I'm gonna make some wraps and put some sauce in that to make it more interesting. So guys, I hope they enjoyed this video. I think it was the shortest one I made on this channel yet. So let's subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future. Just click like and leave a comment. Those things help a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!